at this beautiful river, and you can see all the offices in the background. This is the Delaware River, I think. And look at all these seagulls just basking in the sun. And oh my God, look how beautiful these birds are. And I'm sure they're all